Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. I have today this Sky cell phone, which model is Elite 5 P55 Max. So that's also very cheap phone. It's under 70 or some dollar. So the screen size is 5.5, 1.5 gigahertz processor, 5 megapixel front and back camera, which is basic Chinese phone, 16 GB with 2 GB RAM. Face unlocking, it says it supports the 4G, powered by Android 13. So let's unbox it and see. Here's the box. It has another seal, so let's break that too. Here we go. So this is the first look of the phone. So most of the Chinese phone I saw, the most of the Chinese phone has everything on the back side normally, all the specification, and on the top of the screen also they have the sticker some most of the time. So very basic quality, of course. In that price you'll get the same thing. You'll get the chip case, which is a TPU. Let's see what is other thing. Here's the charger, the same charger, and this is the battery for the Sky. Let's unwrap it and put in the phone and see. So let's put in the phone. So look at this. It says the Sky watch is booting up. So like on the side, the power button, it has a micro USB, and this is a audio jack, and it's taking time to turn on. Of course, it's a very basic processor and everything. So let's see. Let's wait for a while and see you. So this one is very thing. The same Android system most Chinese had is taking a little time to just set up. So let's see. Go ahead, man. Again, Shanghai. Look like the same company is making this all phone with a different name, but some phone has comparatively good quality than the others, but this one is very look at the quality. So let's see what let's see how is this speed. It has a basic Android, the same thing. So let's go with this and check the camera. Bring that device here, the box here, I mean. So I'm gonna choose the zoom, and zoom is okay. That's a max zoom, the 4x with 5 megapixel front and back camera. In that price, I think it's okay, and it's unlocked. You can use anywhere in the world. Thank you very much for joining me. See you in the next video. Thumbs up for my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.